In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check battery health on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up settings and then just scroll down until you find battery, and that's where you can easily find battery health and charging. Just get into it, and towards the top of the screen it shows us the option which is called maximum capacity. In my case it is 91%, and down below it says that this is a measure of battery capacity relative to when it was new. Lower capacity may result in fewer hours of usage between charges. If you want to reduce battery aging, I recommend you to turn on this option which is called optimized battery charging. Basically, that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.